Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Sorry that this video is out late. I know I don't really have fans at the moment right now because this is my first video, but I feel like I just need to apologize to the general public that I told it was going to be out on the 28th. Anyways, welcome to this video. We are doing a 21st birthday party invitation, but we kind of switched it up a little bit. I know message in the bottle invitations are usually for weddings, but this is a surprise party and we wanted it to be really nice and kind of like not fancy, but good, because that's how you want parties to be. So we were playing around with different invitation ideas, and this person that I'm doing the party with came up with a really great one, because it's a secret party. We're doing message in the bottle because messages in bottles are secrets. So we're taking her favorite beer, Budweiser, and turning it into a invitation. I kind of tried to simplify the label as much as I could without making it look like not the Budweiser label. And I just came up with this. So as you can see, you have the banner at the top and you have the middle emblem. I changed the letters in that middle emblem to the person's initials and added the little wheatgrass things and the pine cones and leaves on the side. And then the guest's name that you're giving the invitation to is actually going to go where Budweiser is. So when you do put this label on, try to put it on straight, because if you try to peel it off and replace it, it will tear because it's paper and paper tears. So I was trying to act like everything was fine and I was just going to deal with the crookedness, but then I remembered I had another bottle from the first video I filmed because I had to film twice because I messed up because I'm bad at this. So anyways, I tried to roll it into the shot all pretty like, and I was going to edit it to make it look nice. But then I realized right there in the middle, my table's wet. So I got the bottle label wet when I rolled it in one of those times. And it kind of messed up that banner right there, if you can see. So I didn't even get to get the shot. I messed up. I messed up a lot. I messed up so much. It was a bad day. It was a bad couple days. And that's why I've been putting off doing this voiceover. So anyways, while that's drying and fixing itself, we're going to do the inside invitation. And I'm not going to write anything on my paper just for privacy reasons. So I'm just going to be rolling up a blank half piece of cardstock paper. So after you cut it, you're going to write all your stuff in it. I'm trying to do this voiceover in my car because it's like there's no wind and all, but I have the AC off, so I'm really, really hot. Anyways, before you roll it up, get your twine ready and just use like a rod or a sleek pin of some sort and roll it up 2 or 3 times. And then you can take the pin out and roll it up the rest of the way, on your own, like a big girl. And then you're going to secure that with a rubber band or a chongo, and you're going to tie the twine around it and try to do a double knot so that it more so secures the paper and doesn't just come undone whenever you take the chongo off. And then you pop it in the bottle and pop the cap on. When you do tie your knot, the twine around the paper, try not to tie it too tight because I tied mine too tight and I kind of messed up my paper. So if you tie yours too tight, they're going to ruin the invitation and they might tear it, or they'll just be upset that they ruined it because they probably wanted to keep it for memories. And that's about it. It's really hot in this car, so I'm going to turn this off. Bye.